Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you set up eBay business account. So let's start. So what you have to do is go to ebay.com if you haven't. So once you get into ebay.com, you'll see this screen here. So what you have to do is click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, so what you have to do is, okay, I just logged out of my account. So I'll just click on switch account because I'm going to create an account so that for this video purpose. So yeah, so what I have to do, so click on create an account. So once you click on that, you'll have the option to create a personal and a business account. So here in this video, I'm going to show you business account. So click on business account. So type in your business name here. It's like, for example, I don't really have a business. Using a I'm just using a dummy name for this for the video sake. Right. So yep. So just type in my name. So here, so okay, just type in all your business name, your business email address, password, create a password, and your location. And once you're done, click on register. So now this is now going to send a security code to the email address that you just sent that you just entered for verification purpose. So what you have to do is just open that email address and look for the codes from eBay. So I'll just do that. So I've got the code here, so I'm just click on verify once I've plugged in the code. So this should, yep, now my account has been created, my business account has been created, and you have all these optional items here which you can edit it. You can do it right now, or you can just skip and get into your homepage. So I'll just skip that. All right. So okay, so it's just asking me to log in again, so I'll just log in. All right. So let's give me a second. I'll just log in. Okay, so I'm logging with my credentials that I just created. All right, so there you go. So now all set. So my business account has now been created. Yep. So it's just asking for all these additional details where you need to provide like your business type, more information, of your business type, and then your banking details so that you can manage the payments. So all those things which you can set it up next, like here. So it's just going to ask you all your identity documents, your name, business name, and all those things, country, business name, your ID, just for verification, your ID, all those details, and your name details, and then next would be your bank details. So once you submit all these IDs and proofs, then all set, your eBay account, your eBay business account is all set and ready to use. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.